Have you ever found yourself only consuming content that agree with your preconceived beliefs and opinions while ignoring others that challenge them? Or maybe you've judged someone harshly for doing something, but when you do that exact same thing, you kind of give yourself a pass and justify it away. Well, of course, you have. These are natural, normal human quirks, and they are caused by patterns in our thinking, very invisible, unconscious patterns called cognitive biases. So, what are cognitive biases? Cognitive biases are unconscious patterns in our thinking that influences the way we make decisions or judgments. They act like mental filters that can distort our perception of reality. Our brain works like it works over time to try to simplify the vast amount of information that we receive from the environment. But while this can be helpful in some situations, it can often lead to systematic error. Imagine that you are at a store and you see two similar products. One is from a brand that you are familiar with, and one is from an unfamiliar brand. You will observe that you have the natural inclination to pick the familiar brand, even though you have not critically thought about the pros and cons of the two different brands. So this is an example of a cognitive bias, and it is called the availability heuristic bias. This skews our mind in favor of familiar things over unfamiliar things. Cognitive biases aren't always bad. They are even helpful in some situations, especially those that require quick decision, quick thinking. And we as humans, we've evolved to make swift decisions in order to survive. But however, in present time, where we have a vast amount of information, and thinking critically about this information is very important to make decisions. These biases can often skew our decision making and our judgment, making us to make poor choices and perpetuate unfair judgments to certain things and people. This isn't all bad news. The good news is that recognizing that you have these biases is the first step to overcoming them. And acknowledging this will help you to strive for more informed decision, and also to help us develop a variegated understanding of the world. So you can start by being more mindful of your thoughts and your behaviors towards certain things and people, and also you must question your assumptions about things and try to seek diverse perspective. And by doing this, you will observe that you catch yourself when these biases are like warping and skewing your mind, and eventually this will help you make better decisions and judgments. If you found this video useful and helpful and you would like to see more of it, please like and subscribe, and I will be posting more videos about the different cognitive biases that we fall prey to. So see you next time.